So I printed out the packaging I was working on. I completely changed the colors. I had a light blue and a light pink, but I wanted to make it more strong, and I also thought that those colors wouldn't print out the way that I wanted to, so I thought I would make them a little stronger colors, a little darker. But I think it turned out so nice. The typography is way too small, and this type, like, I can't read it very well, but very fun exercise. I need to cut it and paste it in the plastic bottle that I have. I printed out two just in case, but very exciting. It looks real. It looks like a real packaging. This poster design that I made for my account is a nostalgia poster inspiration. I honestly got inspired by Sofia Coppola's analysis theory that I saw a video about it not too long ago. So I changed a bit the packaging. I added some flowers and I put the colors a little bit lighter, and this is how it turned out. It's not that glued to the plastic, it just has tapes, but I love how it turned out. It's so cute. It looks real. I'm happy. Let me know what you think.
Nossa, aí embora. Olha, a gente
Sarebbe dai. Imagina, parece que